What's up guys, in this video I'm going to do a sample speed cubing, and it is not a tutorial, but a day or two later I'm going to just release another video on how to solve the Rubik's cube. It will be a tutorial, and there are mainly two ways to solve the Rubik's cube 3 by 3. One is the beginner method and the second one is the speed cubing, which today I'm going to do. But again, it's not a tutorial, so I'm just going to solve it. Enjoy. Done. Whew. You can see I've solved the Rubik's cube completely. So if you like this video, you just please like, comment anything about it, and please subscribe. Thank you.